In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo Mail not working. If you've been having trouble opening your inbox, sending emails, or logging into your Yahoo account, don't worry because there are several simple things you can try to get everything working again. So, let's get started. The first thing you should do is check your internet connection. Sometimes Yahoo Mail may stop loading properly because of a weak or unstable connection. To test this, try opening another website or watching a video online. If other websites are loading slowly or not loading at all, then the issue is most likely related to your internet connection rather than Yahoo Mail itself. In that case, try restarting your Wi-Fi router or reconnecting to your network before testing Yahoo Mail again. Now, if your internet is working perfectly fine, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store temporary files and website data, and sometimes those files can become outdated or corrupted, which may prevent Yahoo Mail from functioning correctly. If you're using Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser, then go to Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to All Time and make sure both cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. After that, click Delete Data. Once the process is complete, restart your browser and try opening Yahoo Mail again. If clearing the cache and cookies doesn't solve the problem, you can also try using a different browser. Sometimes the issue may only happen on one specific browser because of extensions, outdated settings, or compatibility problems. For example, if Yahoo Mail isn't working on Chrome, you can test it on Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari to see if the issue continues there as well. Another quick fix is to use incognito mode or private browsing mode. This opens a fresh browser session without using stored cookies or extensions that might be causing problems. In Google Chrome, you can open an incognito window by pressing Ctrl+Shift+N on your keyboard. Then, try logging into Yahoo Mail from there. If Yahoo Mail works in incognito mode, there's a good chance the problem is related to your browser settings or extensions. You should also make sure your browser is fully updated. Using an outdated browser version can sometimes cause websites like Yahoo Mail to stop working properly. To update Chrome, click the three dots in the upper right corner, go to Help, and then select About Google Chrome. The browser will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Once updated, restart the browser and test Yahoo Mail again. If you're using the Yahoo Mail app on your phone, another thing you can try is updating the app or reinstalling it completely. Head over to the App Store on your device, search for Yahoo Mail, and check if there's an available update. If updating doesn't help, uninstall the app and then reinstall it. This can often fix login issues, loading problems, or syncing errors. You can also check whether Yahoo Mail itself is experiencing server problems. Occasionally, Yahoo services may go down temporarily for maintenance or technical issues. If that happens, there's usually nothing wrong with your device, and you simply need to wait until Yahoo fixes the issue on their end. Now, if none of these methods work, it may be time to contact Yahoo support directly. Open your browser and go to the Yahoo Help website. From there, click on Contact Us and choose Yahoo Mail as the product you need help with. Enter your Yahoo email address, click Get Started, and follow the instructions to reach Yahoo's support team for more detailed assistance. And that's basically it. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to fix most Yahoo Mail problems quickly and easily. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you get your account working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.